Nature's Boost CBD Gummies are all over the internet right now, marketed as an easy and natural way to reduce stress, improve sleep, and promote relaxation. But is it really what it claims to be? In this video, we take a closer look at everything behind the hype, starting with why these gummies are surprisingly hard to find on trusted platforms like Amazon, which raises some questions about their credibility. Real user feedback on Facebook and similar spaces shows a mixed bag. Some say they feel a slight calming effect, while others report no results at all. What's also worth noting is the lack of detailed, verified reviews from trustworthy sources, and how the company heavily leans on emotionally persuasive marketing with words like miracle, instant relief, and doctor recommended without backing those claims with scientific proof. On top of that, the brand seems more focused on getting people to buy in bulk with limited time offers and pop-up urgency tactics, rather than offering a risk-free way to test the product. Some users have even reported mild side effects like headaches or digestive discomfort, although that varies. So while these gummies might work for some people, there are definitely enough red flags to make you think twice before buying blindly.